So there it is, pulled, thread on the sump, come out of there with a 1/2 inch bolt. Was it 13 threads per inch? 1/2 inch by 13. It's a 4-speed Harley Davidson 4-speed ratchet top gearbox here, and yeah, I've just had to tap out a thread and put a new helicoil insert in there, which is a better option anyway, if you ask me, rather than bolting straight into cast aluminium. So that's good. I'm happy that's done. Another job off the list. But yeah, so anyway, for that information, what do I say? Choosing a drill bit. Right, so I got my drill here. Got my bit. Hang on. See it. So the drill bit required to tap for a 13 by 1/2 inch or 1/2 inch by 13 thread is a if I can get that in the picture, if I get a good view of that, maybe not, enough good light here, perhaps. Trying to swing it around here so you can see. No, it's not going to work, so I'll just read it. Alright, it's a 1732. So that's the drill bit you need there to drill to tap in for a 1/2 inch by 13 helicoil. I'll just repeat that. It's a 17 by 32. 1732. I don't know why I can't. There you go. It's in there now. 1732. Alright, that's the drill bit you need. But saying that, I got the whole kit here for about 50 Aussie, about 60 Aussie bucks Australian. So, other option was paying $100 and I wouldn't even got the drill bit. I would have just got the new threads and the insert tool and the tang smasher. Now, I didn't smash the tang doing this. I giggled and wiggled with a pair of long nose pliers, and eventually I had to just hold it with the pliers and then just give it a big nudge in there. And yes, I've checked the job and she's good to roll. So that's a nice easy fit there now. And that's about it. Happy days. All right, see you later.